Monday Night at the Movies will not be shown tonight, so that we may bring you the following special program.
You better sit down, kids, and I'll tell you why, kids. You might not understand, kids, but give it a try, kids.
Why does God let bad things happen to good people?
Keep your nose out of my purse.
Keep yours out of the acid. Next time I will.
Marijuana is the flame, heroin is the fuse, LSD is the bomb.